Hi guys, so for science today, we're going to jump right back into some weather. So we're going to go ahead and log into Clever to get to TCI. You are going to click on your button that allows you to enter the class. Alright, we are going to move down to the weather and climate lessons. So click on weather and climate, unit 3. Alright, and then we're going to dance over to the purple bar and open up text with notes. And we want to be in lesson 5. Lesson 5. If you don't see lesson 5, click on your triangle, that little triangle there, and you can find lesson 5 and have the blue check mark next to it. Okay, so a decision that you might have to make, we're going to be reading the text with notes for our science, for the distance learning. So you can either opt to use the printer button and send your text with notes to Notability, and you would send them to Notability by clicking on the arrow and putting them there. I'm going to stay in TCI for the moment because you are going to need access to these check for understandings after each of the reading for the text. So you're going to want to stay in TCI for right now because this is just the introduction. So make sure that you're looking at this How is Weather Predicted opening page and make some observations of what you see. The water, the clouds, do you see some differences in the sky perhaps? Also pay attention to the science vocabulary. This is not a must, but for some of you who like to go the extra mile, you might want to use this vocabulary and add it into your book creator book that we had going on for our science words. Just a maybe. So I'm going to go ahead and start reading, and then we'll chat. So weather affects everyone, everywhere on Earth. Can you predict the weather? Dark clouds may tell you it will rain. But weather is complicated. Scientists measure temperature, wind, and humidity. They look for patterns. These measurements can help predict the weather. So if you move down to the check for understanding, I want you to go ahead and look at this image, and after you think about each question, click on the Find Out orange buttons to learn more. You do not need to screenshot this and post it on Seesaw, as this is just kind of a learning tool for you to learn a little bit more about the introduction. So go ahead and do that now, and then you can click on the next screencast for our next part of science. Thanks.